Hello to all my beautiful friends around the world. It's me, Mommy Jo, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. It's free. And yeah, so by the way, to all those people who have left comments in one of my videos, please give me time, some more time to go over it, I'm juggling too many things every day. Yeah, so guys, please be patient with me, okay? And thank you so much, so very much to all the beautiful friends who have supported me, to new friends who are visiting my channel. Thank you so much. I can't thank you enough for being with me. And yes, of course, you already know. So guys, in this video, I hope you're all doing fine. Yeah, I forgot to ask you. So magandang hapon sa lahat, magandang gabi, maayong gabi, good morning, and xin chào to all my Vietnamese friends. Right guys, so I'll be sharing with you in this video how to care for your nails. Ayan. Guys, so I'm gonna post a little today about my new nail polish. And so guys, actually I didn't expect to have it because I stopped applying nail polish in my fingernails because of I used a very terrible nail polish and it damaged my fingernails. But a friend of mine, a very good friend of mine, she's Vietnamese, and she just bought a nail spa or nail salon, and she brought me there. So this is for free, guys. Yeah, and so yeah, that's the good thing about having many friends, good friends, real friends. All right, so they'll just pamper you with many gifts, and suddenly they will surprise you with many things. Fingernails and toenails, and I have the color of autumn. Alright guys, so having healthy and clean hands is a result of practicing good hygiene and keeping yourself looking your best. But our nails can easily be damaged due to bad manicure. Yeah, so guys, when we go to nail shop, or normally the nail shops, they really have good products, so you can choose. You can ask them which one is the best, and yeah, they follow certain steps on how to put the nail polish that it won't damage your fingernails. And then usually our nails are damaged due to the everyday wear and tear, especially when we are hands-on mom and we do almost everything in the house, and yeah, we have chipped off nail polish or cracked fingernails, so these are very irritating. But however, if we're gonna follow some simple steps and make it a habit to do this in maintaining a lifestyle, healthy feeling, healthy living, Alright, so guys, I'll just be sharing with you because everything that I do has a meaning, has a purpose, why I go, why I do this, why I have to do this. It should have a meaning for me and for you, for all of us. It's not only about beauty, for us to look more beautiful, but of course that's one reason. But another thing is that it concerns, or it is related to our health as well. So that's why sometimes it's good to visit your nail spa, yeah, twice a month. It depends on you guys. But so here are some tips that I'm gonna share with you how to care for our fingernails. All right, yeah, so actually guys, if you have nail polish, it's also very presentable. Yes, yeah, see, it's very presentable, especially when you are exposed to different kinds of people every day. Yes, so they will notice your nail polish also. But if your nail polished are already chipped, then that's also very terrible to look at. So you have to visit your nail spa right away and yeah, have a new nail polished. So it's really beautiful, right? But choose a nail polish that would match different colors in your wardrobe, yes, to your dresses, so that it will not be very contradicting colors. I think I've mentioned in my previous videos about how to care for our hands, but that was about hands. But this time I'll focus on nails and how to tend our nails. So number one, you have to trim your nails like this, so you don't need to
remove the cuticles on the
trim
sides.
it across, straight across. This will avoid developing ingrown from the sides. You know, ingrown are very terrible, and do not pull them off or do not play with it because it can cause irritation. So yeah, so the best time, guys, the best time to cut your fingernails is after taking a shower or taking a bath, because the nails are very soft. Yes, so you can try it. When you cut it, when it's dry, it's really terrible. So cut it after taking a shower or taking a bath. Alright guys, so number two is avoid harsh nail polish. Please try to avoid buying those nail polish which can damage your fingernails. You know, I've tried buying some very cheap nail polish. Yeah, the ending was my nails were broken. Yeah, so I stopped using it for quite some time, like maybe 5 months. I stopped using it for 5 months and I didn't use it anymore. So guys, when you buy a nail polish, make sure that it does not contain formaldehyde and
dibutyl phthalate
ingredients, because this can really weaken the nails and yeah, eventually break your nails. Yeah, so it's really terrible. Guys, if you like using bold colors, like this one, I will not tell you where I bought this one, but this really isn't good for my nails, so I stopped using it. And yeah, if you like bold colors, you know, like red or orange, pink, yeah, so these are bold colors. From time to time, take a break and go all natural. Go all natural color, like colorless nail polish. I don't have colorless nail polish, but because I seldom use nail polish these days, until today when my friend brought me to her salon. Ayan, so you have, if you want to go and visit her salon, I believe that all her staff are trusted and they're really good. They do it very gently, and they you know, they follow certain steps on how to care for your fingernails and toenails. Use gentle nail removers. I think you can buy acetone, but make sure that they are gentle. Some remover has oily ingredient. Yeah, so I think that one is good because it is not so harsh on your fingernails. So guys, the best nail polish remover is if it's acetone free, and then Yes, when you paint your nails, fingernails, yeah, usually in the salon, and they have the base coat, so that's what they did to my fingernails this morning. So it has a base coat, and then after they put the paint, they also put the
Top coat.
the base coat is to protect your fingernails from getting stained. And yeah, sometimes it discolors your fingernails, like it turned orange when you remove the nail polish. If you notice, some fingernails turned orange, it is stained. Yeah, so base coat will help you avoid from getting stained. And then the top coat, yeah, so the final coating, which we call top coat, is it prevents from chipping. Yes, chipping, so it doesn't easily chip off when you are too busy with so many things. Yeah, so it decreases the likelihood of nail polish chipping. All right. Number 4 is moisturize your nails with oil or whatever moisturizer you have there, but usually serum, or if you don't have serum with you, as I mentioned, Vaseline is a very good source in moisturizing your, yeah, so like this, you moisturize your fingers like this. Yeah, so I have an olive moisturizing serum here, so I can use it for my fingers as well. And so all you need to do is put the serum here at the side, yes, of your cuticle. Yes, and I'm sure your fingernails will be very strong and healthy and moisturized. Yeah, so if you have serum, guys, put them here on the side of your fingers. Ayan. Yeah, so I have this olive moisturizing serum. And then oil, avocado oil, or whatever oil you have there. Lip balm is also okay. So as I mentioned, this one is very good. So before going to bed, you dab a little here into your cuticle, so it will prevent from getting cracky or flaky and dry. So before going to bed, don't forget, guys, I have blogged it in my other videos, but it's all about taking care of our hands, not specifically on our fingers, but this time it's about fingernails. Yes, and include your toenails as well, diba? I think all these products are available. All you need to do is ask the seller to give you a moisturizer for nails. Ayan. And number 5 tip, you have to add protein and omega-3 fatty acids, yes, to your diet. Okay, so it's very important, guys, that we have a good diet, and omega-3 fatty acid is very good, necessary, and important for our healthy fingernails. Alright, so you have to include also vitamin B onto your diet, guys. Also, it strengthens your nails, and yeah, it makes your nails very strong. Include vitamin A and C. This will moisturize and make your fingernails glossy and hydrated. Okay, so if you want to have that healthy fingernails, take vitamin A and vitamin C, or food which contains lots of these vitamins. How to keep your fingernails healthy, strong, and moisturized. Here are some tips on how to refrain from harmful behaviors. Okay, refraining from harmful behaviors. Number 1 is avoid keeping your nails wet or dirty in environment. Yeah, when you frequently wash dishes, you have to use gloves or protection, and after that you moisturize your hands and fingernails, because sometimes our fingers will suffer from stress too. I have noticed that as we type and spend a lot of time typing using the keyboard, our hands feel numbed and our fingers are really hurting. So guys, try to avoid wetting them or exposing them to water after using them for a long time typing. So make sure that you take a rest for a few minutes, and like 30 minutes for me I take a rest of 30 minutes before I wash them with warm water and apple cider vinegar, and soak them for 5 to 10 minutes, and it feels good, comfortable, relaxing, and the pain from your hands disappears. Yeah, your fingers don't suffer any more stress. All right, and after that I moisturize. Or a person who's biting their nails, to avoid that you can put nail polish like this one. Yeah, because it will stop you from biting. Guys, it's very important not to bite your fingernails. I know a lot of people, it's a habit for them, but if you want to stop that habit, you can do that by putting nail polish onto your fingernails. Yeah, you can use nail polish that tastes bitter, so when you bite it, it's bitter, so you will stop biting that nails because it tastes bitter. All right, actually guys, you don't need to remove your cuticle because they are protecting your nail bed. When the cuticle is removed, there is a possibility or tendency that bacteria can get inside, because it will give you micro cuts. All right, so if you go to a nail spa, you can ask the staff not to remove the cuticles around, or you can just ask them to push them. Alright guys, so and then exercise caution. Be careful when getting manicure and pedicure, so you have to ask your nail technician to leave your cuticles untouched, because as I mentioned, if you remove them, there is a greater possibility of having micro cuts, and bacteria can get into it, and it can, damage your fingernails. Make sure that
They sanitize all equipment.
and then make sure that the foot baths are disinfected with bleach solution between appointments to prevent transmission of diseases. Ayan. So because we don't know how many people are going there and using this equipment. And then of course, you are using acrylic and gel manicures. These are hard onto your nails, so do not peel them off, because you are also peeling the first layer of your nails. Wait until you go for your next session, and then the staff or the nail technician can help you remove them for you. Alright guys, so last but not the least, consult the doctor if your fingernails or if your nails regularly causing you pain. So guys, the healthy fingernails are with those pinkish here. You cannot see it because it's covered with nail polish, but normally guys, if you have a healthy fingernails, the nails pinkish white. Yeah, and so right. So guys, thank you so much for your continuous huge support, tremendous support. Keep posted for my next video, and enjoy life. Life is too short to be wasted. See ya. It's located at 82 Langha Street. There you go, and the tall building here, the Sky Tower. Ayan, alright. So guys, they're open from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m.